Welcome to another video on aircraft structural analysis from Callahan Aircraft Services. Today we're going to continue with allowables. So the question that usually asked right away, do we use ultimate or yield values? And the answer is yes, we do. And this is why it's hard to answer the question. It takes more than just a yes or a no. First, you have to determine if it's going to be ultimate critical or limit critical. Ultimate critical, as long as FTU, the allowable, tension allowable, ultimate, is less than 1.5 times FTY, 1.5 being from the factor of safety. If that is a true statement, then it's ultimate critical. If it's not, then it's going to be limit critical. And that's the equation that defines the new FTU. An example, we're going to take some 2024 clad, come up with some fake numbers, but make the point. The first example, FTU is 60, FTY is 44. You do the math, it comes down to 60 is less than 66, makes it ultimate critical. Simple. Example 2, we change FTY to 39, do the math, and we end up with, whoa, 60 is greater than 59.5. Therefore, it's restricted by limit critical. Therefore, the new FTU is 59.5. So this is the stress-strain curve. Strain is how much a part stretches when it's under load, and it can be related, thank you, Mr. Young, to stress. Stresses are allowable. By definition, FTU is limited by 1.5 times FTY. So if this is our yield stress, then this is a max ultimate stress. So on this material here, even though it breaks here at this FTU, that is this material's FTU because it's below this line. This material will break up here, but by definition, FTU is now 1.5 times FTY. And this would be the curve that we would use. Now, this is the elastic region. So if you think of a rubber band, this is where it stretches and pops back. It doesn't pop back to the same spot. It got stretched and permanently stretched, but just a little bit. Our fatigue stresses are going to be down in this area. Our actual maximum stress, called limit, is going to be up in this area. So, in conclusion, yes, we use ultimate and limit allowables, depending on what were the material and the loads.